Hey guys, what's going on? This video is on my Swiffer Dusters 3-foot dusting kit. It has like an extender handle, it's heavy duty. This you can actually just like pull out and this will come out and you just put like the little dusting cloth on it. They're excellent. I have kids, I have 2 cats. I'm constantly cleaning and I definitely suggest having this in the house. So this has the one handle with the 3 dusters. So this is what it looks like. The dusters, they're definitely like heavy duty, get a lot of the dust off, and then it goes on this. It just slides onto it, so it's super easy to use. And the 3-foot handle is included. This is what it looks like when it is all like taken out all the way. So it's really long, so it can actually reach like the ceilings. If you guys have like cobwebs or like dust hanging from the lights, it'll get those. And then I have like these wooden blinds, so it'll clean those super nicely in between. So it's great for like so many things, but I highly suggest it. And of course you could use this on like furniture and other things too. It doesn't just have to be on like blinds or the ceiling, but it's great for tough to reach places. So that's what I use this for, you know. Like the ceiling in my bathroom, it has like a skylight and stuff. You know, sometimes it just gets dusty in there like over the course of a couple weeks. So I'll have to go ahead and clean it, but this makes my life easier. And this, it kind of comes out. So like once you put it on the handle, you'll be able to do like a 360-degree turnaround of it, and just, it gets every surface, it gets those hard to reach places. I highly suggest this, you guys, having it in the house for your cleaning supplies. Swiffer Dusters 3-foot dusting kit.